Today, we are going to get ready and do a science experiment. And so I've invited Ms. Bowman to come help me today because she's never been in 5th grade before and we got to make sure she knows this stuff. So what we are going to do is we're going to do the experiment that's on page, I believe it's 16. Let me check. Nope, I'm glad I checked. It's page 14. We are going to look at water today. Water? What does water have to do with heat? Well, I'm going to show you. Okay, I have a glass of very, very, very cold water. It has ice in it. Cold, right, Miss Bowman? Oh, yes, cold. Like, ooh, you know, like when you dip your toe in the pool and it's freezing cold? Yeah. Okay, so today we're going to talk about the difference between hot and cold water. We're going to look at the molecules in the water, okay? Because some of the molecules are going to be socially distant, okay? And some of them are going to be real close together and probably break some social distance rules because they're going to move all over the place. Now, I want you to think. We're going to talk about the scientific method today in our project. So the scientific method, we have to have a purpose. So our purpose is how are we doing the scientific method? What is the purpose of this experiment? Well, the purpose of this experiment is to figure out how the molecules travel in cold water and how the molecules travel in hot water, okay? So, we need a question.
Let me think for a minute. Which one do they go faster in?
Ooh, okay, so which would they go faster in? Which jar are the molecules going to move the fastest? Which one? Which molecules are they going to move the fastest in the cold water or in the hot water? Now, we have to make an educated guess or a hypothesis, okay? So that means you're thinking in your brain, which one is going to move faster? Is the cold going to move faster? Or is the hot going to move faster? So we've got to make our hypothesis, so that's what you're going to do right now. Miss Bowman, have you made your hypothesis?
Yes, I have.
What is a hypothesis? I forgot.
A guess.
A guess. So like, I guess we're having spaghetti for dinner? Is that my hypothesis?
No, it has to have something to do with what we're doing.
Oh, it has to have something to do with my project. Okay, so in this project, we're really only going to have 2 hypotheses, I guess would be the proper term.
We could think about, cold water. But what's going over there?
I have some hot water. It's really hot. Feel that. It's, ow.
Oh, actually, that is hot.
It is hot.
But we could say, will it move faster in cold, or will it move faster in hot?
Which one is it going to move faster in? Make your hypothesis.
Your educated guess.
Educated guess about our project, not about what we're going to have for dinner.
No spaghetti.
No spaghetti. All right, now.
I think I know what it's going to do.
You do?
Yes.
Well, we have to come to a conclusion first. We have to do our experiment. We have to do the experiment and then analyze what happened.
Okay, but we can make our guess first, right?
Right, you make your guess first.
What is your guess first?
My guess,
say cold.
All right, what do you think? So now we're going to conduct our experiment. Now, how do we find out which moves faster? Well, we are going to put some hot water in. It's very hot, it's steamy.
I'm not sticking my finger in there. I know better.
No.
I know my
Because
scientific.
it is very hot.
Scientific.
So, right here we have our hot glass. Right here we have our cold glass. I'm going to use red because we talk about red meaning hot. And Mrs.
Hot.
Bowman is going to use the blue.
Blue.
Now, we're going to see how fast the molecules are going in each. So I am going to put I'm going to put 3 drops in mine, and Miss Bowman's going to put 3 drops in hers. And let's see which is moving faster.
Okay. Observe.
Which one are the molecules moving faster? And which ones are they socially distancing in? Haha, there's a term for you. Which one? Look at that food coloring. Look at that red food coloring. Look at the blue food coloring. What is going on?
I think I was wrong.
I think you're wrong too, but you know I was right because I've done it before.
But it's okay to be wrong because, I've heard you and me say many times, it's just a guess.
Right.
And then I have to do the experiment.
Right, and we've done the experiment, and now we have to go to the next step, analyzing.
Analyze.
So when you analyze something, you're looking at it, you're watching what's happening. So when we did the experiment, you were analyzing as we were working on it. So now we've analyzed and we've come to a conclusion. What is our conclusion, Miss Bowman?
That hot stuff, it was moving real fast. But that blue, which is the cold water, it was slow. And it's still, look at it, it's still moving.
It's still moving.
It's still moving really slow.
Really, really slow.
Mm-hmm.
So we can conclude from this experiment that the molecules move faster in the hot water. So that would be our conclusion. The molecules are going to move faster in our hot water. Excellent job. Now, go on, watch your video, and you're about to draw what happened in our experiment.